Hello everyone, this is Mr. Johnson here from N.Johnson's Electrical and Plumbing Service. So there you have it. Another customer has plugged it into the sun again. Another happy customer. So we are here in St. Elizabeth in Luana, Black River area. This is Luana housing scheme. So customer decided to go with a 12 kilowatt system. Yeah, these are some 580 watt solar panel, pushing a total of 5,220 watts of power. Okay, stand by for more. So there you have it. This is a 12 kilowatt system. We're producing 1800 watt right now. And customer is running on a 15 kilowatt battery, 300 amp hour. Alright. So there you have it. Call N.Johnson's Electrical and Plumbing Service today for your solar and electrical.